Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra from LPM Public School and this school situated in Guna Bazaar. Today in class 4th in class 2nd we are going to learn topic comparing numbers. In this topic we will learn different topics related to comparing numbers as like when the number of digits is the same and in another condition the same digits in the 100 place and the same digit in the 110th place. Okay, and also we will we will solve exercise 5.3, some question related to exercise 5.3. So without wasting our time, come on topic. So topic is comparing numbers. Topic is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Today we will learn comparing numbers, how we can compare numbers, and also we will learn that. Okay, and now the first topic is when the number of digits is different. First topic is when the number of digits when the number of digits is different. Okay, when the number of digits is the different. In this condition, what we have to do and how we can compare numbers? So there is an example. Jumbo has 470 bananas and Mambo has 59 bananas. Who has more bananas? Jumbo has 470 bananas. Mambo has 59 bananas. Who has more banana? Listen, Jumbo has 470 bananas. Jumbo has 470 bananas and Mambo has 59 bananas. So who has more bananas? So 59 is a 2-digit number and 470 is a 3-digit number. So a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. So 470 is greater than 59. What we have? Listen carefully. You can see here that in 59 and 470, 59 is a 2-digit number and 470 is a 3-digit number. So a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. So 470 is greater than 59. So we can say that Jumbo has more bananas than Mambo. Okay, so 470 is greater than 59. So we can say that Jumbo has more bananas than Mambo. And next topic is when the number of digits is the same. When the number of digits is the same. Okay, in this condition, what we have to do? You know here that in this condition, first topic is different digit in the 100 place. Different digits in the 100 place. Different digit in the 100th place. Different digit in the 100 place. Okay, first topic is different digits in the 100 place. So there is an example. Sajid mends 452 shoes. Sajid mends 452 shoes and Ramdas mends 701 shoes. And Ramdas mends 700. Now listen here. There is an example. Sajid made 452 shoes and Ramdas made 701 shoes in a month. Sajid made 450 shoes, 52 shoes, and Ramdas made 701 shoes in a month. And you know that who mends more shoes? You have to find who mends more shoes. So Sajid number of shoes mends by Sajid is 452, and number of shoes mends by Ramdas is 701. So when we compare 100 places, so you can see here that 4 is smaller than 7. So we can say that 4 is smaller than 7. So we can say that 452 is smaller than 701. So 452 is smaller than 701. So their answer will be Ramdas made more shoes than Sajid. Ramdas made more shoes than Sajid. Okay. Now second condition is the same digit in the 100 place. The same digits in the 100 place. The same digit in the 100 place. Okay. Next condition is when the same digits in the 100th place. Okay. In this condition, there is an example given. Shohan writes 642 words and Mohan writes 617 words on a page. Okay. Listen carefully. Shohan writes 642 words and Mohan writes 617 words on a page. Who writes more words on a page? Okay, so number of words written by Shohan is 642 and number of words written by Mohan is 617. Okay, so 642 written by Shohan and 617 written words by Mohan. Okay, so you can see here that Shohan writes 642 words and Mohan writes 617 words on a page. Who writes more words on a page? So the digits in the 100 page, you can see here that the digits in the 100 place, when we compare 100 places, the digits in the 100 places are the same. So compare the digits in the 10 places. You can see here that when we compare 100 places, so the digits in the 100 places are same. So compare the digits in the 10 places. So 4 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1. Sorry, 6. 4 is greater than 6. So 4 is greater than 6. So sorry, 4 is greater than 1. There will be 1. 4 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1. Okay, so we can see here that 642 is greater than 617. So 642 is greater than 617. 642 is greater than 617. So Shohan writes more words than Mohan. So Shohan writes more words than Mohan. Now that is condition third. What is it? In third condition, the same digits in the hundreds and tens places, in the hundreds and tens places, the same digits in the hundreds and tens places. Okay, so there is an example. John sells 193 flowers and Mukesh sells 196 flowers. Who sells more flowers? John sells 193 flowers. John sells 193 flowers and Mukesh sells 196 flowers. Who sells more flowers? Okay, so to find who sells more flower, you have to compare these numbers. Okay, so when you compare these numbers, you can see here that when we compare 100 places, the digits in the 100 places are same. Okay, the digits in the 100 and when we compare 10 places, both are also same. So we can see here that the digits in the hundreds and tens places are the same. So compare the digits in the ones places. Okay, listen carefully once again. When we compare 100 places are same. When we compare 10 places are also same. So when the digits in the hundreds and tens places are the same, compare the digits in the ones places. So on ones places there is 3. So 3 is smaller than 6. 3 is smaller than 6. So we can say that 196 is greater than 193. So 193 is smaller than 196. So Mukesh sells more flowers than John. So Mukesh sells more flowers than John. So today's topic was comparing numbers, and in this topic we have learned when the number of digits is different. There was an example, and that is Sajid means 450. So 400 Jumbo has 470 bananas and Mambo has 59 bananas. Okay, so 59 is a 2-digit number and 470 is a 3-digit number. So a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. So 470 is greater than 59. So Jumbo has more bananas than Mambo. Second condition, when the number of digits is the same. In this condition, the first topic is different digits in the hundreds places. There is an example given. Sajid means 452 shoes and Ramdas means 701 shoes in a month. Who means more shoes? So 4 and when we compare 100 places, 4 is smaller than 7. So we can say that 452 is smaller than 701. Okay, so Ramdas means more shoes than Sajid. Now the next condition is the same digits in the 100 places. There was an example. Sohan writes 642 words and Mohan writes 617 words on a page. Who writes more words on a page? So when we compare 100 places, both are same. So the digits in the 100 places are the same. Compare the digits in the tens places. So when we compare tens places, 4 is greater than 1. So 642 is greater than 670. Next is the same digits in the hundreds and tens places. There is an example. John sells 193 flowers and Mukesh sells 196 flowers. Who sells more flowers? Okay. So when we compare 100 places, both are same, and tens places. So 100 and tens places are same. So the digits in the hundreds and tens places are the same. Compare the digits in the ones places. So the digits in the hundreds and tens places are the same. Compare the digits in the ones places. So when we compare ones places, 3 is smaller than 6. So we can see here that Mukesh sells more flowers than John. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing. We will meet with new video and new idea. Thank you.